Welcome back to Big Jores Affiliate Gist. In today's video, we are going to be looking at 3 good reasons why you should upgrade your Nuvia account now. Yes, this is what we are going to be looking at in today's video. So, if you are a Nuvia member and you are ready to earn, like if you are seriously ready to make good amount of money from Nuvia, this video will be very helpful to you. So if today happen to be the first time you are visiting our channel, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. What I am about to show you on this video will help you earn at least 6,000 naira to 7,000 naira every single day on Nuvia. Yes, if you are on Nuvia Premium Tier Level 2, you will be able to earn at least 6,000 naira to 7,000 naira every single day. If you are a Nuvia member and you haven't upgraded your account, I will seriously recommend you watch this video to the end so that you will understand what you really need to know. Yes, the reasons that I am about to show you on this video will help you earn minimum of 4,700 naira daily to 7,000 naira on Nuvia. Yes, if you listen and apply what I am going to tell you right now, you are going to earn not less than 4,700 naira to 7,000 naira every single day on Nuvia without referring anybody. You don't need to bring this person to bring another person that will also bring another person before you earn or before you withdraw on Nuvia. If you are very serious about making money, or if you are very serious about earning huge amount of money on Nuvia, so this particular video is for you. If you haven't upgraded your Nuvia account to level 2, make sure you like this video and you drop your comment on the comment section. As you can see right here on my account, this is my name and you can see it right here. I'm on level 2. I have upgraded. So if you check this particular place on other people's account, you are going to see that they haven't upgraded and it will require that they should upgrade. Note, this upgrade of a thing is optional. It's not by force or is not a must. But if you must make money, like good amount of money from Nuvia, you seriously need to upgrade your account to premium tier level 2. The number one reason why you should upgrade your Nuvia account to premium level 2 is higher earnings. Yes, if you have upgraded your account to level 2, you will experience higher earnings. You are definitely going to see huge amount of money every single day. For example, now if I should go right here, you can see the songs that I streamed today. You can see today is 7th of June. I streamed this particular song, I earned 400 naira. I streamed this other particular song, I earned 302 naira. I streamed this song, I earned 748 naira. Let me enter my full history so that you see all what I'm trying to say on this video. You can see it right here. Okay, look at this place. You see, all these are today earnings from streaming. You see, I earned 320 naira. You can see this one. You see, all these are my earnings just by streaming songs without referring anybody. And without you upgrading, you are not going to earn such amount of money. I will be using 2 accounts for this tutorial. I am going to be showing you an account that has not yet been upgraded. So this is an upgraded account already. After I am done showing you what I'm showing you right now, I'm going to log in into another account that has not been upgraded so that you see the difference and why you really need to upgrade your account. So that's one of the important reasons why you should upgrade your account to level 2. The number 2 reason we have on our list is access to all streaming platforms. Yes, upgrading your account will enable you to have access to all streaming platforms that are linked with Nuvia, such as Apple Music, Audiomack, Boomplay, Spotify, SoundCloud, or YouTube Music. You are going to have access to all these platforms right here. Meanwhile, if you are on level 1, you will not be able to have access to all these streaming platforms that are here. Most especially, if you are on level 1, you will not have access to YouTube Music. I'm very sure about that. You will not have access to SoundCloud. I think you will not either one of these two. You will not have access to, is it Spotify? Yes, you will not have access to use Boomplay. Yes, you will not be able to stream on Boomplay if you are on level 1, unless you upgrade your account to level 2. So let me quickly show you this right now before we step into the second account. If I should open, for example, now let me open Spotify Boomplay. If I open Boomplay like this, you can see today is Saturday, June 2025. This particular song earned me 748 naira. This particular song right here earned me 400 naira, and this Messi Chinwu song earned me 302 naira. This is what people on level 1 cannot do. You cannot even open this particular streaming app on level 1. If you are a level 1 member, you will not be able to have access to this particular place. So this is what you are missing out. You are really missing out. And let me open another music platform for you as well, so that you will see. Let me go back there again. Let me open SoundCloud. You see, this is SoundCloud, and you see the numbers of songs available. We have about 4 songs right here. We have 4 songs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 songs right here on this SoundCloud. Meanwhile, if you are on level 1, you will not even be able to open this particular place, and other place that you can open, you will only have one songs each, 1 or highest 2 songs each on those others platform, and their earnings will be very low compared to this. You see, I have extra 4 songs right here, which earn me different amount of money: 400, 350, 250, and 320 naira. You see, this is the benefit that I am enjoying as a level 2 member. Let me open another streaming app again. If I should go to, did I open YouTube Music? Let me open YouTube Music now. Okay, look at YouTube Music here. I still have another extra 4 songs available: 320, 450 naira, and also 378 naira, and finally 378 also. You see, so if you upgrade your account, this is what you will be enjoying. You'll be enjoying, like, you'll be able to stream many songs, and your earnings will be very high. So now let me open the second account. Let me open another account that has not been upgraded to show you what will happen. The number 3 reason why you should upgrade your account is fast withdrawal. Fast withdrawal is the number 3 important reason why you really need to upgrade your account from level 1 to level 2, because we know that minimum withdrawal for streaming was placed at 40k. If the minimum withdrawal is placed at 40,000 naira, and they say withdrawal is every 2 weeks, now if you are earning 900 naira to, let's assume you are earning, it's not even an assumption, you are earning not more than 2,000 naira. If you've not upgrade your account, you are going to earn not more than 2,000 naira every single day. So if you are earning 2,000 naira, how many days will it take you to earn up to 40,000 naira before you can withdraw? You see, then come to think of this one again. If you are earning 4,700 naira to 7,000 naira every single day, which is 4,000 naira, 4,700 naira as minimum, which is no how you are going to definitely earn 4,700 naira that particular day. 4,700 naira to 7,000 naira every day will definitely take you to the minimum withdrawal just within under 1 week or 1 week plus highest. You will be able to reach the minimum withdrawal, which is 40,000 naira. You will reach the minimum withdrawal real quick. You know that you are earning just 900 naira from streaming. If you haven't upgraded, you are going to earn 900 naira from streaming and 1,000 naira from promo. That is why I approximate it at 2,000 naira. And sometimes, you know that sometimes like weekends, promo will not be out, and if you remove the weekend, see how much you will earn. You will not be able to meet up with the withdrawal threshold. Understand? You will not meet up with the withdrawal threshold. Now what we are going to do now is, let me open the account that has not been upgraded so that you see what you are missing, like so that you see what we are enjoying. So let me open the account right now. See the differences. So I will open this particular account. This account has not been upgraded. Let me first show you this. This account has not been, if I go to listening power, you see this is level 2. It's showing purchase, and this is level 1. You see the account is at level 1. For you to enter this level 2, you need to upgrade. Now if I click on purchase, it's going to take me to this particular place for upgrade. You see, now let me show you what you really need to see. Let me go back. We are still going to open the same music app, the music streaming platform that we opened before, for you to see the differences. You will see that most of them will not even open. First, let me open Apple Music here. Apple Music is definitely going to open. You see how many songs are here? You are seeing just one song. This is an account that has not been upgraded. You see, you are seeing just one song right there. Let me go to another music streaming platform. If I should go to AudioMac. Now let's see AudioMac. You see, you are streaming just one song on AudioMac as well. Look at it though. Let's go to another streaming platform again. Let's go to Spotify. Okay, this is Spotify. You are streaming only one song. I think this is where your earnings end. One songs you are streaming, one songs on each of the streaming platform. Let me show you this. Let me go to others. If I should go to Boomplay, you see this is the same Boomplay that we are streaming 4 songs. We are streaming 4 songs on Boomplay, but now you cannot have access to it. You see, you cannot have access to stream on Boomplay, and this Boomplay is where you will be earning up to 700 naira per song. Look at it now. You don't have access to it. Let me show you another one. Let's go to YouTube Music. You still don't have access to it. You are very limited if you haven't upgraded your account. Now SoundCloud, you see, you still don't have access to stream on SoundCloud. So this particular, if you check these 3 streaming apps, this is where your earning lies. This is where your earning lies. But the bad news is that you don't have access to it just because you've not upgraded your account. The upgrade is just 3,500 naira and it's one-time upgrade. You don't have access to this 3 streaming platform because of 3,500 naira, which you will even make it ×2 that same day. This is the only streaming apps that you have access to, is this other 3 that will be earning you to 200 naira and 100 naira. Yes, you cannot earn more than 900 naira every single day. So with this, you see that it is very important that you upgrade your account from premium level 1 to premium level 2, so that you level up with others. Whenever withdrawal comes, you withdraw your money without wasting time or without not being able to withdraw, because definitely you are not going to meet up with the minimum withdrawal threshold. So with what I show you right now, if I should, okay, let me check this, if this person has performed his or her tax, so that you see the earning history. If I should go to this person's history, Look at it right here. See how much this person is earning. Did you see any 700, 600, or 500? This person is earning just to 200. Look at it here. 200. Only 400 once. You see? And okay, this is another 400. This is very, very poor. Tell me when this person will meet up with withdrawal threshold for him or her to withdraw. So you really need to upgrade your account today so that you enjoy the benefit of tier 2, which is the level 2 that we are. Comparing this first account that I show you right here to the one that we just left now, which one do you think is better? You see this one that you can stream up to 4 songs and with high earnings. Compare this one to the other one. Which one is better? So I will seriously urge you to upgrade your account today so that you level up with others and also earn the same amount that every other people are earning daily. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comments on the comment section, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Bye.